Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
NOAA's Climate Prediction Center said it expects to see 13 to 19 named storms in 2020, including 6 to 10 that could become hurricanes and 3 to 6 that could develop into a major hurricane, meaning Category 3 strength or higher. 29 May 2020.
Take our lead.
The 2020 NOAA forecast calls for a likely range of 13 to 19 named storms, winds of 39 miles per hour to 63 kilometers per hour, or higher, of which 6 to 10 could become hurricanes, winds of 74 miles per hour to 119 kilometers per hour, or higher, including 3 to 6 major hurricanes, Category 3, 4 or 5, with winds of 111 miles per hour to 179 kilometers per hour, or higher. 1 June 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
NOAA now predicts up to 25 named storms in the Atlantic hurricane season. There is an 85% chance of 2020 being an above normal hurricane season, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration said on Thursday. 6 August 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.